in this video I am going to introduce with what we'll be going to study in design and analysis of algorithm. So I'll be explaining some of the important things that comes in design and analysis of algorithm. So the first is the recurrence. There are some ways to solve recurrence. There's a recurrence can be solved. The relation of recurrence can be solved with substitution method, master theorem, recursive tree method, knapsack problem using greedy algorithm, 0-1 knapsack using backtracking, Kruskal's MST, Prism MST, Dijkstra's algorithm, Floyd-Warshall's algorithm, matrix chain multiplication, longest common subsequence, 4-queen problem using backtracking, traveling salesman problem using greedy approach, traveling salesman using dynamic programming approach. So in the further videos I'll be discussing all these topics detail wise to discuss about what is recurrence. So recurrence is a function which called itself recurrence. The word itself explains about it that it is a function that calls itself, then that function is said to be as a recursive relation. And recursive relation is what a relation, a form of a mathematical expression that is used to explain the recurrence in mathematical format is said to be as a recurrence, right? So recurrence, there is one example of how recurrence relation look like. So there is a function tn with some conditions that when n is equals to 1 the function will be 1, and n, if n is greater than 1 the function will be this. So this is a recurrence relation for the merge sort. So we have various forms in which we can represent the recurrence relation. So before understanding the types of recurrence relation solving methods, it is first very important to understand the complexity. So there is a time complexity. A chart is given. So if we are having different type of time complexities, like order of n square, order of n log n, so we have to choose the greatest order complexity time. We have to choose the time complexity having the greatest value as per the growth notations or growth function. So this is the elements, this is the operation. There is order of log n and order of 1, that is constant. Then I have order of n. So in the topmost part we have order of n log n. Suppose we are given with a question is solved and it is giving us time complexity of order of n power 3 plus order of n log n. So we will choose the order that is having maximum, having the greater growth function. So it is an order of n cube. So our answer for the particular question will be order of n cube will be the answer, but not the combination of it, right? So here I have also written some of the disadvantages, that what are the disadvantages of recursion. So the recursion drawback is that it adds more space to the stack. What it means that I hope you all will be under knowing about the stack. Stack is a data structure that uses the concept of first in last out. So as a function call itself again and again, it will fill the space of the stack. And the second is that if a function call itself more than twice or thrice, it increases the complexity, right? So this is the two disadvantages or the drawbacks of recursive relation.